Your big said that Henry is about the same class as yours. That's a good point. Those look they look fun. Honestly, that was fun. Yeah, go to ash it off the